In the event of a war, Philippine overseas workers are advised to take the following steps. Contact the nearest Philippine embassy or consulate. Overseas Filipino workers should immediately contact the nearest Philippine embassy or consulate in the country where they are residing or working. These diplomatic missions can provide guidance and assistance in the event of a crisis or conflict. Register with the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. Overseas Filipino workers should ensure that they are registered with the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, which provides various services, including a repatriation program. This registration enables the government to locate and assist Filipino workers in times of crisis. Follow government instructions. It is essential for overseas Filipino workers to closely follow any instructions or advisories issued by the Philippine government, particularly those related to evacuation or repatriation efforts. Stay informed. Overseas Filipino workers should stay informed about the situation through reliable sources of information, such as official government announcements and local news outlets. Seek assistance for repatriation. In case of escalating conflict, overseas Filipino workers should proactively seek assistance for repatriation from the Philippine authorities. This may involve coordinating with the embassy or consulate and following the repatriation procedures. It's important for overseas Filipino workers to prioritize their safety and well-being by taking proactive measures and seeking assistance from the relevant Philippine government agencies and diplomatic missions in the event of a conflict or war.